Meaning of Edmund Clerihew Bentley.
Edmund Clerihew Bentley.
Edmund Clerihew Bentley.
Edmund Clerihew Bentley.
Edmund Clerihew Bentley. Edmund Clerihew Bentley was an English writer and journalist who lived from 1875 to 1956. He is best known for inventing a humorous form of poetry called the Clerihew, which is a four-line poem that pokes fun at a famous person. Bentley was also a prolific author, writing detective novels, essays, and biographies. His most famous work is the detective novel Trent's Last Case. Overall, Bentley's contributions to literature and poetry have made him a memorable figure in English literary history.